Let's start with the big picture, because these three models make sense once you see how each one reads text. GPT moves left to right and predicts the next word. So it becomes a natural generator for writing, coding, or answering questions. BERT looks at text in both directions at the same time and learns by filling in hidden words, which helps it understand meaning with high accuracy. T5 handles every NLP job as a text-to-text task, so it gains flexibility across translation, summarization, and many other workflows. In an interview, a simple way to explain this is GPT generates, BERT understands, and T5 transforms. The reasoning is that each model sees language differently, so they excel at different tasks. Interviewers may ask which one you would choose. A calm answer is GPT for fluent output, BERT for comprehension tasks like classification, and T5 when you want one model that can switch between many tasks without changing the structure. Now, let's connect those differences to how each model is built. GPT uses a decoder-only structure that predicts the next token, which encourages smooth and creative output but only allows it to look backward. BERT uses an encoder-only structure and trains by guessing masked words, so it builds a deep understanding of context rather than generating long text. T5 combines an encoder and a decoder, and it trains by turning everything into a text-to-text task. A strong interview line is, GPT is autoregressive, BET is bidirectional, and T5 is sequence to sequence. The reason this matters is simple. Architecture shapes what the model pays attention to. GPT focuses on continuation. BERT focuses on comprehension. T5 focuses on converting one text form to another. Interviewers may ask about trade-offs. You can explain that GPT is efficient for generation, BERT is efficient for understanding, and T5 trades a bit of speed for broad versatility. Don't worry if these terms feel new. Once you see how each model uses context, the patterns become clear. Now let's make this real. GPT is the model you choose when you want natural, flowing output, so it appears in chatbots, creative writing tools, code assistants, and customer support systems. BERT is used when you need strong understanding, like ranking search results, analyzing sentiment, answering questions, or classifying documents. T5 works well when you need one model to handle many tasks, such as translation, summarization, rewriting, or multitask pipelines. Interviewers may ask how you make these choices in practice. A simple explanation is that GPT is best when the task needs new text, BERT is best when the task needs deep understanding, and T5 is best when the system must switch between several NLP skills. They may also ask about performance or compute. You can mention that GPT scales well for output-heavy tasks, BERT is efficient for classification, and T5 can be heavier because of its encoder-decoder design. Framing it this way shows clear, practical judgment. Let's bring everything into a real workflow so it feels practical. You begin with data collection and cleaning, then tokenize your text so the model can read it. After that, you choose the right model for the job. GPT fits tasks where you need generation, like producing responses or writing summaries. BERT fits tasks where you need understanding, like tagging documents or retrieving information. T5 fits tasks where you want one model to handle many text transformations with a consistent approach. Once the model is chosen, you fine-tune it on your dataset, deploy it behind an API or service, and monitor it to keep results stable. Interviewers may ask how you decide between these models during integration. A confident answer is I match the model to the task's core action. GPT for generating text, BERT for understanding context, and T5 when flexibility across tasks matters. This shows that you can connect model behavior to real production needs, which is exactly what interviewers look for. Great job learning today. If this helped you feel clearer or more confident for your AI or ML interviews, tap like so more learners can find you. If you want simple guidance for every interview topic, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson. You can share your questions in the comments. I read them, and they help me choose what to teach next. And if you know someone preparing for interviews, feel free to share this with them. Keep going. You're improving with every step. I'm here to help you grow.